There's no place like space. All about the solar system. Resist addition by Rabe, illustrated by Ulrich Ruse. There's no place like space. I'm Cat in a Hat. And we're off to we'll visit in the planets, the stars, and the sun. There's no place like space. I will prove it to you. Your mother will not mind at all if you do. Jump in, here we go. We will fly up so high we can dance on my moon. Play games in the sky. We will swing past the stars. In case you have missed you'll soon see. The planets in our solar system. There's eight these planets that circle the sun, and soon you'll able to not name everyone. Mercury, close to sun burning light. It is hot in the daytime, but freezing at night. On Venus, the weather always the same, hot, dry, and windy, with no chance of rain. Can you guess the next planet? Well, here the clue. It is my home and home. To think one and think two. You have been living on it each day since your birth. It is third from the sun. It is our planet. Earth. It spins around all the time. Around like to top. It turns once every day, and it never will stop. Sweet home. This question had a thing one and two in the tizzy. With the earth always spinning, and don't we feel dizzy? We don't feel the earth as it spins on its way, 'cause we're spinning right with it right now every day. Next here is Mars. It's the color of rust. Me sneeze here because it is covered with dust. Travel to Jupiter. In Jupiter, we'll find it is bigger than all other planets combined. Saturn has a ring. It is so light. Who would think it could float in an ocean and not even sink? A planet can have satellites, and the universe has a lot of these objects around it. There were all colors in the space. I will show some to you. Neptune planet 8 of beautiful blue. We have seen all the planets. This is trick to remember the names and remembers them quick. The first letter of each of these words is the same as a first letter of each of planets you name. You know, here is a game. Can you play a skies connect to stars you can see with your eyes? Great dog, great bear. Yarn. Collection. Bull, lion. A dog's a great bear, Leo, and the lion, and the bull of hunter or a star in the sky may look small like a dot, but it's really big glowing ball, and it's hot. And there's one star by far that's our favorite one. We can't live without the star called the sun. From the earth, it looks big. There is one reason why they closed it to earth of the stars in the sky. But be careful and never look right at the sun, or your eyes would get hurt, and the dogs not be fun. And that would not be fun. How big is sun? We just heard right this minute 1,000,000 hour of our Earth could all fit right in it. Oh, look at the time. We must go very soon. But first, we must take a quick look at the moon. The moon does like shine in the sky in the night, but looks like bigger, more felt like the sunlight. Astronauts flew to the moon to explore the place had never been to before. They walked on the moon and then drove all over in the special moon car called a lunar rover. The astronomer studies what up in the sky. Think to want to be one. In fact, so do I. and universe. In universe, I missed a place where are only I learned what happens in space. I bought you a present to look in the sky. Just put the telescope up your eye. Oh dear, I must go fly back up to the stars and take these things out to dinner on Mars. But there's lots of discovery, and it might be you who looks up in the sky and find someone that new. Thank you.